Hey Madhav, I was looking for a printer roller, GTX 1616 Ti graphic card, and a motor. I looked for them on the internet, but I could only find the graphic card there. So I was thinking that I should go to a heavy place to buy the other two products. But after consulting one friend, he told me that he was tricked in by some shopkeeper and he bought a product really expensive that was really cheap. So do you have any advice?
Yeah, I know it's really tough to get a good price at Nairu Place. Let me ask my friend Deeptoshi. He's working on a prototype on a hardware app. Hi, Deeptoshi.
Hi. So yeah, as you told, me and my team are working on a prototype, which is basically an online shopping app. An online shopping app which offers you a varied state of options, wherein you can choose from many products, be it a laptop, be it a graphic card, or or be it anything. So our main purpose of the app is to compare products from different sites and give the user a, a, a product which he can use to the best of his ability and with the best price and the best discount offer.
Okay, so let me ask you one thing. There are many sites like this. Like I know two sites which have hardware things. How does it? What does your site do that makes it different from other sites?
So as I told you, the main part comes down to the fact that we try to compare prices from different websites, be it Amazon, be it
Yeah.
Flipkart, and also make sure that we are giving the user the best deal with the best discount offer and also the best offers that the user can get. For example, the user will get notified when there is a big billion days, just like we have in Amazon, or a Diwali sale, just like we have in Flipkart. We'll have a video simulator, which would also make sure that we take care of many certain things. Also, we make sure that we have all types of hardware. It does not boil it obviously does not boil down to only a laptop or something. It can range to a printer, it can range to a CPU, etc., etc. So uh, I would like to call upon my friend Sahil, who would show you
Yeah.
the high fidelity prototype.
Sure.
Hi, I'm Sahil. So this is the overview of the high fidelity prototype of our app Where Compare. As you can as this is just a prototype, so it's not the actual application. As you can see, initially the app has a starting splash screen which has our logo and our slogan. After that, we go to the login page. From there, the user can just log in and they are immediately directed to the home page. From there, the user gets shown the deals of the day and the recommended deals. The user can also search for whatever they want to search, and the app will instantly show them up their product, and it will show them the best price, the best offers, its users, and it will also show them its prices from different companies such as Amazon, Flipkart, or they can simply buy it from the source like Intel. We can click on the shopping cart or the buy now button if they want to buy it immediately. They can just click on the buy now button, whereas they can also go to the shopping cart where it's shown to them what where they can see all the different products. Here they can see the cart total, savings, delivery charges, etc. Here the user can go to the menu where they can go to settings and see all the options available. Um,
I heard that this site also compares different uh,
yeah, the main
hardwares.
yeah the main selling point of Where Compare is that it compares prices from a variety of sites. Yeah, as you can see, we are comparing prices here from the main sites that prices are being compared from right now are Amazon, Flipkart, and Intel. But in the future, we also plan to add many more sites from which we can compare prices from, so that we can give users the best prices and the best offers.
Yeah, I really like this app. The best part I liked about is that you guys give installation video for for this, and I also saw a column for users, which is pretty nice. Most of the sites don't do that.
Yeah, we
So
also,
all the best for the prototype.
in case the users face any problems, we also have installation videos so that the user can have a hassle-free installation, and the user knows how to use the product.
Yeah, yeah. Is there any way that we can contact you if we have a query or something?
Yeah, as you can see, we also have an FAQ page, a contact us page, and we also have a Facebook and Instagram page.
Okay, good to know. I'll surely tell this to my friends and Ojaswa. Thank you.